Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I like using the Instagram app from my phone, but there are times when I need to use it on my Mac, but it doesn't allow me to post pictures and video store on my Mac. My previous workaround was to transfer the picture or video to my phone and then posting it directly from my phone. But that's time consuming and time is not something I always have. So in today's video, I'll show you 3 different ways to post on Instagram from your Mac. Let's dive in. So when you first log into Instagram on your desktop, you'll notice that there is no option to post. The usual icon that's located on the bottom of the screen is missing. So in order to enable that option, you go into Safari and you select Preference. Then you click on the Advanced tab and then you want to check Show Develop menu in menu bar. After that, if you go up here to the bar, you'll actually see Develop and you want to select User Agent. By default, it'll be set to automatically chosen. And then what you want to select is iPhone. So any of the iPhone option will work. So you can either select iOS 14 or iOS 13. Once selected, the browser will refresh. Now you can actually see the bottom here, you have the option to post. So once you click on the plus sign, you can actually select a photo. So we're going to do a trial here where we select a photo. And once it's selected, it'll actually give you an option here to edit. So you can do what you do on the app where you can apply filters, you can do zoom in. So I'm just going to select one of these filters. And you want to resize your browser window so it scales properly, so it actually looks like the app. Otherwise the picture will look like it's stretched out. And after applying a filter, I click next, and here I can just write a caption like I would on the app. Once I'm completed writing a caption, I just have to click share and just confirm that it is posted on my account. Okay, as you can see here, it was posted on my account like you would on the mobile app. And when you are done with your Instagram session, make sure to go back into the develop mode and set it back to the default setting. Because if you don't, Safari will load the mobile version of every website you visit. For those who want to post video as well as photos, you'll need to use a website called Latelysocial. It's free to use and you'll need to create an account. Once you are logged in, you will need to click on the Instagram icon, and from here you need to enter your Instagram credential to link it up to your Instagram. After your Instagram is linked up, you want to click on the profile to check it. And once the profile is checked, you actually have all these options such as posting to timeline, story, IGTV, and carousel. So I'll first start by posting a video by either dragging the video to this area or clicking on File Manager and browsing to the file location. Once I selected a video, I have the choice of tagging a user and adding caption. And for the next part, I can actually schedule a post for a later date if I wish to. If I click on the advanced option, I have the option of adding a location and also adding a first comment. And when everything is all set, click post now. It will take a moment for it to process. Once it's processed, you'll see that it's completed here and it will say that it's been posted. And then you want to check on your Instagram account to make sure the video posted. And finally, using Creator Studio for Facebook. You can post both pictures and video from Creator Studio. Using Creator Studio will require you to switch your account over to a creator account. And if you are not a content creator, I recommend you sticking to one of the other 2 steps I mentioned in this video. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. So first we go to business.facebook.com. And here you want to click on the Instagram icon and click login. If you already have a creator account, you can skip this section. Or you can keep watching if you're interested in knowing how to switch your account over to a creator account. And you'll need to switch the user agent to iPhone. After you switched it over, it will refresh. Then you want to click on the gear icon up here. And then you want to select switch to professional account. On the next screen, you want to click on Creator and click Next. Click Next again. Then select what type of category and select Done. And now you have a creator account for your Instagram. Now your account is switched over, let's log into Instagram Creator Studio. Once you are logged in, you can see the home page dashboard, and here you can post to your Instagram account. Let's do a test post. So let's click on Create a Post and select Instagram Feed. Then I want to select an image. You have the option to publish now, schedule, or save as a draft. So I will schedule it for a later time and then click on Schedule Now. Once it is successfully posted, you will see a message down here. If at any point you need to make any changes, you can click on the 3 dots and then select any of the options here such as Edit. That concludes the video. If you watched till the end, thank you for sticking around. Please consider liking or subscribing to help out this channel. See you next time!